Hello children of DV Moil Public School Sita Savangi. This is your Aarti teacher welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 5th, subject science, and our topic is fuel. Dear children, before this session we have learnt more about fuel. Types of fuels, 3 types of fuel: liquid, solid and gas. And uses of fuels. Uses of fuels in generating electricity, for household work, for our means of communication and transport. Domestic fuels and fuels for transportation. Today we are going to solve some exercise of this chapter. So open your notebook and write down. First, write the correct option. Out of following the fuel that is best for reducing environmental pollution is A. Diesel, B. Coal, C. Compressed natural gas, and 4. Cow dung cakes. So answer will be compressed natural gas, because diesel, coal and cow dung cakes produce smoke and pollute environment. Okay. Second is, a good fuel is one that does not burn easily, is costly and not easily available, does not produce smoke or leave ash, and is not easy to store. So answer is does not produce smoke or leave ash. Okay. Next is, a fuel that is not obtained by refining petroleum is petrol, diesel, kerosene and biogas. So answer is biogas. Next, out of following the energy sources that is a renewable energy source is petrol, wind, diesel and coal. You know children, petrol, diesel and coal is non-renewable energy sources. So answer will be wind. Okay. Next, coal. A common fossil fuel is formed. A. From the waste of animals, from dead sea creatures, by decay of water plants, by decay of vegetation under heat and high pressure over a long period of time. So answer is D. Okay. Now write true or false for the following question. First, LPG is used as a domestic fuel. Answer is true. Liquid petroleum gas. Some train engines run on diesel. True. Powerhouse burns CNG to generate electricity. False. Because powerhouse burn coal to generate energy or nuclear power, not CNG. Coal is a renewable source of energy. False. Because coal is non-renewable source of energy. Next, we should use public transport to help reduce environmental pollution. True. We should use public transport or your own vehicle, for example, bicycle. So children, learn and write on your notebook. And we will meet in next class with new exercise and question answer. Bye. Have a nice day.